Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a song as ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A35. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and more. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now type ringtone into the search bar. You'll see a few results pop up. Things like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth might show up too, and that's totally normal. What you want is the option simply labeled ringtone. Don't worry if you also see things like notification sound or pop-up style. Just ignore those for now. Step 4. Once you see ringtone in the search results, tap on it. You may need to tap it once more to fully open the ringtone settings, depending on your phone model and software version. From here, you'll see a list of available tones. Step 5. For the last and most important step, look for the plus symbol, usually at the top right of the screen. Tap it. This will let you browse through your audio files. Now, just locate the song you want to set as your ringtone. Once you've found it, tap on it, then hit Done or Save. And that's how easy it is to set a custom song as your ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.